Today we are looking at eating healthy to prevent weight gain. Eating fewer calories doesn't necessarily mean eating less food. To be able to cut calories, you need to replace high-calorie foods with fewer calories, but that fill you up. In general, you eat foods that has more water and fiber. Then you rethink what you are drinking. Because if you are heavy on drinking carbonated drinks, sweetened fruit juices, energy drinks, those also come with their own calorie. So you can do away with this and replace them with water. It's a more healthier option. Water helps you to stay hydrated. The cells of the body get enough fluid in them for you to keep going, and it's not sweetened. So you reduce your portion size. Portioning is an issue, especially when you are served a very heavy food and you want to finish it. You discover that you end up overeating. And there is one thing to note: as people age, their body composition gradually shifts. The proportion of muscle decreases and the proportion of fat increases. This shift slows their metabolism, making it easier to gain weight. In addition, some people become less active as they get older, thereby increasing weight gain. So you can prevent weight gain by choosing a lifestyle that includes good eating habits and daily physical activities. By avoiding weight gain, you avoid higher risk of many chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, osteoarthritis, and some form of cancer. By choosing to eat healthy, you prevent weight gain. You don't eat empty calories, but rather you eat foods that are nutrient dense, that are also good for you. And then you at least do about 150 minutes of exercise in a week. And the exercises could include jogging, walking, rope skipping, climbing step up and down, something that will keep you to be physically active. Because as you age, you discover that you are not so active, you don't move around a bit more, probably because of the type of job you are doing. A lot of people now are working from home, and some people, when they are not working from home, they drive to the office, they get into the office, sit down, they work on a desk till when they are ready to go. So when you introduce a form of exercise, it helps you to loosen up and to burn some calories. And then finally, you monitor yourself. You need to get a scale, keep a scale in your house. So when you think you have overindulged, check your weight. Are you adding or you are losing? Then you check what you are eating and you adjust it. When you do this consistently over time, you'll be able to maintain your weight without adding or losing, but just maintaining what you are and be much more healthy. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bells so that you get our videos as they drop.